Hello everyone, my name is Relicia, and Oriental Trading is one of my favorite websites. This website is good for if you're throwing a party. They have plenty of items that you can get, from candy to tableware, any kind of party decoration, party favors, or if you're throwing a theme party with a certain type of character. This is the kind of place you would want to come to. Holidays events, they have weddings, graduation, prom, grand events, anniversaries, bridal showers, baby showers, office parties, any kind of religious celebration, carnival, awareness, and of course they have party favors. They have lots of crafts, teaching supplies. They have things that you can use in your room, from curriculum activities. They have teacher resources, awards and incentives, um, school supplies. They have a lot of different stuff. Weddings, you can get a lot of different things that will put a little special touch to your weddings. Religious events, they even have things for pets. So, and of course, I'm searching for things for Valentine's Day for my kids. Oriental Trading also has other little shops within it, like Learn 365. It's all about teacher supplies here. Teacher supplies. The 100 Day of School is coming up. Dr. Seuss is coming up. So, you click on what grade level. I'm third, so I'll click third, and they'll have a whole lot of different stuff that will work for the grade level that you're in that you might need. Mindware, if I click that, it will bring me here. And they have a lot of different stuff for Valentine's Day. I might need to come check this one out. There's a lot of games, a lot of arts and crafts, from active play, brain teasers, building, create, and games, custom fun 365. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You can get custom-made items, hoodies, short sleeves, tank tops, all types of things. And you can, like I said, this website is for bulk, so you can buy a lot of things in bulk. If you click Marry Me, which is kind of self-explanatory, get wedding favors, ceremony, reception, bridal showers, buffet, personalization, gifts. You can get, like I said, special little touches to your wedding here. And the last tag, Fun 365. It's just like little arts and crafts as well, and things that you can use in your classroom. So it's a little mixture. Look like more of a do-it-yourself kind of thing, where people can share their ideas. So Oriental Trading is an excellent website, so you definitely should check it out. Thank you for watching.